Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn English in standard 7. So let us start. So this is unit 1 and activity 4. In activity 4 we will learn about writing a diary. So let us see what we will learn today. We will learn use of past tense. So when we are writing a diary, we are using past tense sentences. And another thing we will learn is how to write a diary. Many years ago, and in past and in nowadays also, some people are writing diary. Whatever we are doing every day or anyone is doing every day, sits in the night or any time they remember and write what they have done today. So whenever in future they see the diary, they will remember the glimpse of their life, whatever written in the diary. So today we are also going to write a diary, but here the diary is little different. Not only a boy is writing a diary, but also he is drawing some pictures. So let us start. Here we have 3 points. Let's learn, let's observe, and let's do. So first point is let's learn. So we will learn about diary. Here are some pages of Sohan's diary. So here a student of standard 7 is, and he has a diary and he writes diary. It is in your textbook on page number 4. So here I have put the page number 4 and it is about Sohan's diary. So they have a look at the picture. So this is page number 4 of standard 7, your English textbook, and here it is written in Gujarati. Let's read. સોહનને તેના જીવનમાં બનતી ઘટનાઓના ચિત્રો દોરવાનો શોખ છે. તેણે દોરેલા ચિત્રો અને તેણે તેના મિત્ર મોહનને કહેલા વાક્યો તેની ડાયરીના પાનામાંથી વાંચો. So here a page of 3 is given. So 3 dates are given. So we will observe one by one. So let's take the first page. So this is the first page. Here he has mentioned 3 things. One is date. So here he writes date. So it is date and the day also given. So when we are going to write a diary, we will definitely write a date. Date is a must. So Sohan has written date and day. So it is 6 of January 2012 and the day is Friday. So and here are given activities. So Sohan has done some activities that day and it is given in the activities, and also he has drawn a picture of a memorable moment of his life. So this page of diary is very nice to look at. Now we will read and understand that what Sohan has done that day. So 6th of January 2012 and that is Friday. So we will read the sentences now. It was 6th January 2012. So he has talked about the date. It was my birthday. So it is Sohan's birthday. Now, so he is very happy. And another thing, my father brought a bicycle for me. So Sohan's father gifted Sohan a bicycle. So he is on the bicycle, he has some balloons and he is happy. So on his birthday, his father bought him a bicycle. So this day he has drawn a picture of bicycle, balloons and himself, and it was his birthday. Now the second page. So second page is about also bicycle. He has learned how to ride bicycle. So he has participated in a race. Now let us see what Sohan has written. 11th February 2012, and that is Saturday. So on Saturday he took part in a bicycle race. So we will read, I took part in bicycle race. Here he has drawn the picture of bicycle race, and I won the second prize. Very nicely he has written, I won the second prize. Now Sohan is very happy again because he took part in the bicycle race and he won the second prize. So he is very happy, and he has written about that. He has written about that. I won the second prize. Now the third sentence. I also won this trophy. So here everything is given in the picture, that it was bicycle race, he won the second prize, he also won the trophy that is in his hand. Now we will go to the third page, and third page is about something about hospital. So he is in the hospital in the bed. Now we will see the date and see that what has happened to him. It is 4th of May 2012, Friday. So on May 4th he is in the hospital. Look at this picture. So first he tells about, look at the picture. This is SSG hospital. It is written here, SSG hospital. I had an accident. So he is talking about his bicycle. So on bicycle I think he had an accident. So he write about it, I had an accident. And the next sentence is I was in the hospital for 3 days. So he was there in the hospital for 3 days because he has broke his hand. This is everything is drawn in the picture. So hospitalized, he is in the hospital, and the name of the hospital is SSG hospital. Doctor is there, he is in the bed, and he is telling about the diary. So everything this is written in the diary. So when you are going to write a diary, do write date, day and the activities you have done or whatever happened to you, and the picture. Now next thing is, let's observe. We are going to observe something. Here is one page of my diary. So I have also put one page of my diary, and how it goes, let's see. So here it is 2nd of July 2021. Now on that day I came to school at 10 o'clock. So here I have also drawn a picture. I am coming to the school with a hurry, and I came to the school at 10 o'clock. This is description. So this is date, activity and the picture. તો બાળ મિત્રો આપણે પણ આ રીતે આપણી પોતાની ડાયરી લખવાની છે. આ મારી ડાયરીનું એક પાનું છે જેમાં તારીખ લખેલી છે, એમાં જે કરેલી એક્ટિવિટી લખેલી છે અને એના વિશેનું ચિત્ર દોરેલું છે. So like that you are also going to make another activity. So now let's do. We are going to the next part. Let's do. Now prepare 5 pages of your diary. Here in the book it is given 3 pages of diary of Sohan's diary, 1 page of my diary you have just observed, and now it is your assignment to prepare 5 pages of your diary. And how you are going to make it, let us see. First, like this, draw your picture of your activity here, then that activity will show what have you done that day, and above that you are going to write a date. So you have to write a date and day, and here you have to draw a picture, and in this square you are going to write about sentences about the activity, whatever activities you have done. So again I will explain. On the top of the diary, please write date and day, and then like this you have to draw a picture of your activity. Whatever activity you have done, draw the picture, and then write some sentences about your activity. And this is how you are going to prepare the pages of your diary, and you have to prepare 5 pages. The same way you are going to prepare 5 pages like this: date, picture, and sentences of the activity. And this is your assignment. I hope you all have understood the concept about Standard 7 English Unit 1 Activity 4. Thank you. बंद कर दिया।